and Peachtree City has
There we go, tornado alert.
Western Muskogee County and West Central
it's my
Georgia
video.
until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Columbus, Big City, Columbus Metropolitan Airport, Laurel Hills, Edgewood, Kenwood, Highland Park, Rose Hill, Green Island Hills, Flat Rock, St. Mary's Hills, Avondale, Vista Terrace, Fortson and Benning Park. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. At 9 p.m.